Buddha in Sanskrit means awakening mind. Buddha in Sanskrit, which means awaken your mind. So we have to awake. We have to wake your mind in the sense of understanding. Refresh yourself. Think that our life is very short, right? Very short, very uncertain. Our life, death is very uncertain. So we never know. There's no guarantee. Sometimes we think the heart attack or high blood pressure. No, even the healthiest person disappear any moment. Yes, it's from my experience. So therefore, life is a very valuable, precious. If you make it precious, if you don't make them precious, life is not precious. Full of sorrow, full of suffering, full of miseries. So making good life, best life, life of a family, friends, yourself, individual, spiritual is the best way. Combine with it, then your normal activities. You can still do business or family work or anything you can do. Does not mean that spiritual practice. It means, you should give up everything and then solitude, go to the solitude and do meditation. No, it's the wrong idea. You can still do business, you can still carry on your daily life along with the spiritual practice. With the understanding, with the wisdom, you feel much more relaxed. Disturbances, obstacles come and go. It's just like a cloud and a rainbow. It comes, it goes. Don't take them seriously, please. When you have an argument between family, friends, or your neighbor, don't take them serious. It hurts you. Hurts your peace of mind, hurts your spiritual mind, spiritual life, and your happy life. Any circumstances come and go. If you accept them as it is, then your mind becomes much more relaxed. Then you are free from disturbances. I'm sure. Please take it. It's nothing to do with religion, okay? It's not teaching from the Buddha only. It's a practical discussion, right? It's a practical discussion, practical idea, and a practical knowledge. Blessing of the Guru Rinpoche, blessing of all great masters are with you unceasingly until you're fully enlightened. And the enlightenment is very near around then. It's not really far, say that, we are a very lay person, lay people, we are full of, the business and full of problems. And so you think that then discouraging yourself, which is not really good. You have to encourage yourself that I can do, because Buddha says you can become Buddha. You can enlighten your mind as I did. There's no gap between us. So Buddha says, I convince you, do. So soon you will become Buddha. Okay? It's not just only theoretical, entertainment, but it's a reality. Thank you so much. I think it's more than 1 hour. Thank you so much. And I'm sorry that because of the language barrier, my English is not so good, but I'm quite sure that I really didn't make a mistake in my speech. So this will help you. Thank you so much. My best wishes always with you, sincerely and truly.